Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Eli, and Eli is 3 months old. He was 1 month premature, so he's technically like a 2-month-old in terms of his motor development. I'm going to work on rolling. I use my legs out in front of me to do this. I've got my hip up on one side just to make it a little easier for him. So one leg is up higher relative to the other leg. Just going to lay him down on my legs. Hey. Now this in itself is a good way to work on tummy time, but I'm going to work on rolling, rolling, rolling. And then roll him on over. Hey. And roll him on over. Going between his legs to roll him on over. I see. And once you go down, you can come right back. I'm going to roll you on over. Hey. Hi. And roll you right over. He's still young, so you want to take it nice and slow to give him plenty of time to react to the rolling. Don't want to go too fast. Just roll him, and right now I'm not expecting any counter rotation of the trunk. If he rolls more like a log, that's fine right now because he's still quite young. It's an easy way to work on rolling up and down your legs. It's so convenient. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.